I wanted to take a quick video here showing you a deployment of a Diode Light node. I'm going to use Google Cloud Platform, and I'm going to deploy a pretty cheap light node in Santiago, Chile, just for the fun of it. So I'm calling it Santiago 02, South America, Santiago location. Here I'm using low-cost day-to-day computing. It's going to cost me $3.55 per month, 1 gigabyte of memory, and then I'm going to try to use spot provisioning. Spot provisioning may not work for us because I think I think the IP address will change, but I'm going to try that initially. And then here I changed the operating system to Ubuntu 24.04. And then down here I added my SSH key so I can remotely access it via my command line. Okay, I'm going to create that. That will take a couple of, maybe about a minute here, so I'm going to pause while that creates. Yeah, all right, so that provisioned Santiago 02, and here it's running, it's up and running, and we can see that the external IP address is here. And I need the IP address so that I can connect to it, and so I want to SSH, and my username is Hans Rempel there. And because I gave it my SSH key, it'll allow me to connect to this device. Okay, so now I'm in the device. I provisioned the VM, logged in to the system, and now I need to know how to install. And so here on forum.diode.io, Dominic created this handy guide, very, very simple. I go snap install diode edge. I have to do sudo. So sudo is like an advanced, needs to install as an advanced user. So that's going ahead and installing. Now, I don't know if this is going to work on a spot instance. I've never done it on a spot before, but it's cheap. It's like a third the price. So I wanted to try it on spot. This will take just a second to install. There it is, it's installed. And so now I should be able to go diode-node.info. Yeah, righteous, look at that. Connected peers, I am up and running. I have a dashboard here of my new node. Dude, this is awesome. 1.2.8, and this will populate here in a minute. The network has to resolve it. But this is totally working, and I can also go sudo snap get diode node, I think, like that. Yeah, and it gives me all that cool information here about the seedless and everything. So there you go, man. I am up and running. There it is. What Shaft Santiago 02. I'm online, and that was it, man. Like that's done. And boom, there it is. Now we have 39 nodes online. So that took me from zero state on Google Cloud Platform to deploying 3 minutes and 20 seconds, something like that. So you can